So very warm good afternoon. This is me Sunny Rathore, journalist from B2BStreets.com, and today we are here standing along with the founder and director of Hari Consolidated Private Limited, Mr. Raman Kumar Saluja. And basically this brand is known in the market as a capsule. So welcome, sir.
Thank you very much.
Sir, our audience would like to know something about your business journey, how you started, and what phases you have seen in your career.
Good afternoon to everyone. This is the Raman K. Saluja, Hari Consolidated Private Limited. We known as a brand, we known as a capsule. Capsule is generally famous. It is famous only for the cable junction termination, which is the vital part in the power network. We know about the cables, we know about the wires, but we are generally not known about the cable joints and termination. In general, we call it as a cable accessories. None of the cable can be terminated or can be energized without the cable joints and the termination. This journey we started in 95 onward, and with a group of 4 or 5 people who were the technocrats. Myself is from the commercial side, and one of our MD, Mr. Pawan, he is also from the commercial side. It was a wonderful journey of our company. We started in 95 with a 1.1 kV voltage, which is generally called as the 1100 volts. Later on we entered in the 11 kV, that is called as the 11,000 volt. Then we entered up to 33 kV. And now proudly we are working up to 66 kV voltage class, joint set termination. And probably we are the first one who installed the 66 kV joints made in India itself. Generally, few years back, the 66 kV voltage is the kits only imported one, but we make it and we install in Delhi itself for the HVPNL. And it's 66. I'm talking about the 66 kV for HVPNL in Uttam Nagar under the metro projects. And we understand till date I think it was done around 10 years back, and we understand it's performing very well. During our journey, we initially tested our product for 1.1 kV. Again, I will say it's 1100 volt. And we started with the MSCBCL, Maharashtra, Mumbai. Then we entered the Delhi Vidyut Board, Delhi, in the NDMC. And slowly we entered with the railway. Railway is a wonderful department that does. And they approved us with the established brand, 1 or 2 established brand. And one more thing is I have to add in, we are the first one in Delhi who developed this and perfectly manufactured and sell the product in India. We are even right now, we are the only one in Delhi who is making such product. Right now we are approved with the BHEL, NTPC, Power Grid Corporation India Limited, Navy Lignite Corporation, even ABB, Siemens, L&T, KEI, Shama Power, East India Udyog, and it's an endless journey of our clients and the customers who are regularly using this capsule kit. Even till date, since 95 to till date, it's a 24-year, and they all are very satisfied with our services, with our supplies, and with our performance of the kits. NDMC Delhi, who is the controlling body for electricity supply to the President House, to the Prime Minister House, to all the ministries, to all the ministers, they are also using capsule kit, and they are also enjoying the services of our cable jointers around the clock, 24 hours. Recently we supplied our material to the BSS also with services, and we understand that the performance of our product is very much there. Of course, we are still trying best to be a regular associate of all this organization, but its journey was excellent, that was very good, and we tested all the product from CPRI, from either from the CPRI Noida or from the CPRI Bangalore or from the CPRI Bhopal. But we understand it all from all these companies, and I will say it's a wonderful journey, and we are still making kits. Every year we are making around 1 lakh kits. Of course, I will add one thing in the whole story, that our volume is increasing every year. The competition is very, very tough, very, very tough. But of course, we are also starting with all the established players, with all the MNCs companies are coming up in India right now. Since the power industry is a very, very big industry, and government is also supporting good to us. Of course, some requirements are still there, but power industry is on the boom. Power industry have a regular requirement and a regular everything we have. And I will add one thing: we have a very full-fledged testing lab in our factory, which is good enough for all the tests as required as per the Indian standard to conduct in the factory itself. So everything under one roof we are making. We are making all the heat shinkable components, HIP mold, and the various type of tastes we are using. It all basically all the indigenous. Some we are getting also from our foreign associates, but on the whole, I will say it's a wonderful journey, and I will appeal to all the people to must buy the kits from the MSME units, NSI registered units, to give a full strength, commercial strength to the local industries, and which are generating a good employment to the either for the labor segment.
So this is really an endless journey, and this is the reason why Capsule is a well-known established brand in India and abroad, obviously. So sir, our audience would also like to know about your products and its applications.
Our product range is all type of joints and termination. Basically, I will again say the cable accessories, joints and termination are the combination for the termination where the cable has to be terminated. As I say, if it is the indoor, then should be in the panels. If it is the outdoor application, it is on the transformer itself. I will say that if you require to charge a transformer with a cable, the termination is mandatory to install. Basically, the feature of this product is to rebuild all the properties of the cables. Whenever we open the cable, all the property has to be damaged, and we are providing all the material as required for the cable preparation and to energize the cable. Straight-through joint is combination of the two. One cable is coming from two cables are going from the different direction, and we are providing all the material to make them together and to provide the true electricity to for us, for the industry and everywhere. The application is for the just to provide the power, electricity to either to the house, either to the industry, or either to the anywhere. I will say that wherever is the cable, the joints and termination is mandatory.
Yeah.
Without this joints and the termination, none of the cable can be energized. Basically, I am saying it is 1100 and above. Below 1100, just say the cable wire in our house that we can just stretch and fix with the screwdriver and things. But if you go for the 1100 and above, the joints and termination is mandatory to install and to be performed. There are different technology in the joints and the termination. Earlier this was the resin cast joint, then it's become to the tapex set joint, then we enter to the heat shinkable. Now the cold shrink technology is also available. Of course, some of the components has to be imported even till date because of the various factors. And now pre-molded joints, and for the high voltage, the pre-molded joint and the push-on type joint. Number of technologies are there coming up in India. It's already performing well and coming up in the India itself. We are right now up to heat shinkable, up to the cold shinkable. That up to that technology we are already making in our factory itself. We have a unit in Delhi. If anybody interested, he may contact us, can visit us, our Facebook page, our website, that is www.capsule.com, or in Delhi, I think our brand name is, if you type the cable joints and termination in the Google, you will get the Capsule is very much there. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for being with us, and we wish you all the best for your future, sir. And to know more about Hari Consolidated Private Limited as well as Capsule, kindly log on to www.b2bstreets.com. फिर मिलेंगे एक नई बिजनेस जर्नी के साथ. Till then, bye bye.